everybody. This is Grace Animal Rehab Center. Lenny is doing his walking therapy. He's running like crazy now. Hey, chill, Lenny. Alright, I'm holding him and holding the phone at the same time. So excuse me for a lot of bumping here on the phone. So here's Lenny. Lenny, go. Go, Lenny. Yes, Lenny. Lenny is kicking his feet like crazy, right? Yes. So, all right. Hello, Lenny. Yay. So, Lenny is getting his physical therapy, possibly with animal acupuncture, I believe. Yeah, in Peoria. 40-something in Peoria. Alright, Lenny, go. Go play on that thing. Yes. So he gets to play in the morning for 25 minutes. Then he go back to the cage. Then he play a little bit more in the evening. So if you want to volunteer, help Lenny with physical therapy, transportations, animal transportations, we have various positions available. We also have program coordinator position available. Now again, these are volunteer position at this point. Hey, Lenny. All right. GRC is out right now. So Lenny is really vibrant. So that's the scoop with the Lenny this week. Thanks for watching. Donate, foster, and volunteer.